Zyklops systems made by Wera, and how I couple it with this Klein KNECT system. And on first impression, you might see a bit of slop in it, but with one slide down of this, it locks into place at 9 degrees, at 45 degrees approximately, and at 180 degrees. This dial lets you tighten, then when you loosen, when you keep that 90 or 145, you have access to the punch out right there, that when you depress it, like so, pops out the system. And it then comes with this ball detent, a fairly deep ball detent that fits into that ball detent groove, ball detent hole, for an ultra secure hold. It's not going to rattle out in any way. Now this is a 8796 extension arm for reaching into long spaces. This has a lock on it, so that this is a hex adapter, 8784B1. It adapts this 3/8 square. When I push this down, locks it. When I push that out, you can again pull it out using that hard ball detent, fairly deep. It goes in, it comes out easily. But then when you lock that thing in, it's not going to come out no matter what. This distant piece here, there's a sleeve that pulls up and it locks into place, and it cannot come out in any way, unlike the magnetic ones. And it allows you to ratchet with incredible leverage. And then when you need to pull it out, pull the sleeve forward, and then it just easily comes out. So these standard 1/4 inch hex bits fit. You can use it as a spinner with a ratcheting function. So this system, I think, is enhanced by these Klein KNECT systems, which at first blush seems to be proprietary with these proprietary knurled ends. But with this adapter, with the deep hex and that little notch with this, coupled with this sleeve, locks into place fully. It's a bit long, but it allows you to use all of these sockets, metric and imperial systems, and allows you to have long reach, 45, 90, 180, with a ratcheting function, with a spinning function. And if you don't need quite the torque, it's the same system in a 1/4 inch. So this is grabbed. You can use it as a spinner with a ratcheting function in either direction. And just like with the 3/8, 1/4 inch also locks at 90, at 45, 180, and works with both imperial metric systems using the knurled Klein proprietary ends. The question, how do you then use these metric deep sockets? Goes into the deep like that, as you can see. So when you lock in this one, and then now you can use these long metric deep sockets. As you can see. So at this level here, we'll accept even the fattest ones, because even the fattest ones have that central hexed grip, so that if you need to reach deep into a well, let's say on a car or a truck, to get to a battery or whatever spark plug, it allows you to do so. So this Wera Zyklops, I think it's a 2010 patent or 2010 World's Fair presentation for the Zyklops system. It's been around for a while. This craft form handle, I think, won a design award. They originate out of Wuppertal, Germany, which is central Germany near Dusseldorf, just east of Dusseldorf. And it's actually the city where KNEPEX is also located. KNEPEX is a much older company, a German. I think the four big German tool companies are KNEPEX from early 1800s, Wuppertal, Germany, and then Gedor, founded by three brothers, and that's from early 1900s. And then Wera from like 1936 or so. I think Wera is an abbreviation of Wera Amtenbrink. Werner Amtenbrink. Very unique, all German company. Since 2016, it is now owned by a conglomerate, but still a German conglomerate. They've been headquartered in Germany, but they have opened factories initially in China, but they weren't happy with the quality control there. So they're now, I think, still back to exclusively a European manufacturing centered around Czechia. So Wera, Viha, KNEPEX, and Gedor Hazit are the main German tool companies. And among them, I guess KNEPEX has always been one of the most respected. KNEPEX, they specialized in cutters and wrenches. Wera and Viha have focused on drivers, screwdrivers and such. The Klein Tools is also a German family company, founded by German, sixth generation now, but the original founders were from Germany, and they located to Chicago, but now it's headquartered in Texas for state tax savings. Klein Tools, also an extremely high quality German family company with deep German roots. I think in southern Germany, Black Forest area, I believe. This KNECT system, coupled with the Wera Zyklops system, provides maximum flexibility and capability. Are not super cheap, but are affordable, I think, by anybody. And they are reasonably priced for anybody.